That is quite a view, and this is quite a car. They were just so futuristic. I mean, this car is 23 years old, and it looks like it was designed yesterday. I have never seen a man suit a car more than that.
Nobody ever wanted a 5-door Golf GTI.
Hello and welcome to the Modification, a modification conversation. All the modifications I've done to my 2002 Mark IV Golf GTI 2-door. I know I joke in the beginning about nobody wants a 5-door Golf GTI, but everyone wants all Golfs, no matter how many doors they have. I just think it's funny to use the James May soundbite. It cracks me up to have Jeremy Clarkson and James May cracking me up about Golfs and GTIs. So that's why I use their sound bites. And I don't have anything against 5-door Golfs. I love them just as much as my 3-door Golf. So that's that. And today's episode 6, I'm going to show you how I did the ECS tuning flash tune, which I purchased for about $60, worth every penny, just to be able to do it without having to go in and monkey with it, in the codes. I saw Sloth Avenue, or The Avenue, do it, and he had so much success that I had to do the exact same thing. This is what it looks like when you get it from ECS Tuning. Do you like it? So seriously, you buy it from ECS Tuning with very little instructions. All I really got was that you turn the car to the accessory position without starting it. Just turn it on, plug it in, wait for a beep, and it's done the changes to the computer which allow the windows to be activated by the key fob when you're locking and unlocking the door. When you lock it, it rolls them up. When you unlock it and then hold it again, and then hold it a third time, it'll roll the windows down. So I was skeptical, but once I saw The Avenue do it, I figured I would give it a shot. So the hardest part about it was waiting. This thing is on back order a lot. So if you're planning on it, go to ECS Tuning. Make sure they still have it for the Mark IV. I bought this over a year ago and it still works. So once you make the change, it's pretty much permanent. I haven't even noticed a problem with anything. It always works when I need it to. So when I am coming out of Zachary's Pizza, I can roll the window down, place the pizza on the passenger seat, and then go about my business. So it really is handy to have this, and it makes it it turns it from a Mark IV to a Mark 4.5. So I'm going to show you the footage of what I did in real time. You'll see how long it takes, and it is a little bit nerve-wracking waiting for that beep, but when it happens, it is like your best day ever. So here's the footage. And I'll show you the footage, and then I'll show you how it works with the key fob, and then we'll retouch later. We'll reconvene in about 3 minutes. Enjoy. Oh, it works! It works! All right. So, welcome back. What do you think? I think it was a success. I mean, for all the times I needed to use the key fob to open the window and couldn't, and then wanting to do it, completing this modification really took the car to a more modern level, I feel. I mean, 23 years old, and the thing looks like it was designed yesterday. I really believe that. So, hope you enjoyed episode 6, ECS tuning flash module activation of the key fob, making the windows go up and down. Next time, episode 7, I'm going to show you a quick video of how I chose a plastic restoration kit that worked really well. And I'll show you how to do it, how I did it, the footage of me doing it, and you can decide if it's right for you. But I must have watched, I don't know, 20 videos on how to, everyone's take on plastic restoration. Everyone has a take on this and on headlight restoration. And I will show you my fix for that too, which was pretty simple. But next time, episode 7 will be the lithium plastic restoration kit and everything that comes in it. It's got the little, it's got the pre-spray. After you wash it, you spray it with this. And then it's got these little, little bricks. So I will show you the complete kit, how it works, and why I recommend it. Cheers. This is all very new to me, and I'm doing the best I can as I am launching myself into this world of YouTube. So thanks for your patience, your comments, your subscription, and your time. Cheers.
I have never seen a man suit a car more than that.